What would a magnitude 15 earthquake be like? Earthquakes are measured using the moment magnitude scale, MW, a logarithmic scale that quantifies the amount of energy released during an earthquake. To put it in perspective, the largest earthquake ever recorded occurred in 1960 in Valdivia, Chile, with a magnitude of 9.5. A magnitude 15 earthquake is purely hypothetical and far beyond anything our planet can produce naturally. However, imagining such an event offers a glimpse into the catastrophic and unimaginable forces involved. 1. Understanding the magnitude scale. Each increase of 1 unit on the magnitude scale represents approximately 32 times more energy released than the previous number. This means, a magnitude 10 earthquake releases 32 times more energy than a magnitude 9. A magnitude 15 earthquake would release energy exponentially greater, on the order of 10 billion times more than a magnitude 9 earthquake. This is a level of energy that exceeds the total gravitational binding energy of the Earth itself, meaning the forces involved could theoretically tear the planet apart. 2. Could a magnitude 15 earthquake occur naturally? No. A magnitude 15 earthquake cannot occur under natural conditions for several reasons. Tectonic plate limitations. The Earth's crust is composed of tectonic plates that move and interact. These plates are not large or strong enough to accumulate the immense stress needed for such an event. Energy constraints. The energy required for a magnitude 15 earthquake exceeds what is available in the Earth's lithosphere. Planetary integrity. The energy release would cause global scale destruction, far surpassing the structural integrity of the Earth's crust. To generate a magnitude 15 earthquake, an external astronomical event, such as a massive asteroid impact or an interstellar collision, would be required. 3. Theoretical impacts of a magnitude 15 earthquake. Ground shaking. The ground shaking would be so intense that entire continents would experience surface waves moving at supersonic speeds, causing massive upheavals. Liquefaction. The process where solid ground behaves like a liquid, would occur on a global scale, rendering all landmasses unstable. Infrastructure, including buildings, roads, and bridges, would be instantaneously obliterated. Tsunamis. The energy released would displace unimaginable volumes of water, creating tsunamis thousands of meters high. These waves would travel across oceans at jet-like speeds, inundating coastal regions and sweeping across entire continents. Islands and low-lying regions would be submerged permanently. Atmospheric effects. The atmospheric consequences would be catastrophic. The release of energy would generate shock waves capable of disrupting the atmosphere, potentially blowing away portions of it into space. A global firestorm could ensue as seismic energy ignites flammable materials and methane deposits. Volcanic eruptions. The shaking would trigger volcanic eruptions worldwide. Supervolcanoes such as Yellowstone could erupt, releasing vast quantities of ash, gases, and pyroclastic flows. The combined eruptions could lead to a volcanic winter, blocking sunlight and drastically cooling the planet. Crustal ruptures. The Earth's crust would rupture, fault lines would extend across entire continents, and some regions could sink into the mantle. New mountain ranges could form almost instantaneously, while existing ones might collapse. Core disruption. The energy of a magnitude 15 earthquake could disrupt the Earth's core mantle boundary, affecting the planet's magnetic field. Cause the planet to lose its protective magnetic shield, exposing it to harmful solar and cosmic radiation. 4. Global consequences. Loss of life. A magnitude 15 earthquake would lead to the near total extinction of life on Earth due to ground shaking, tsunamis, and atmospheric disruption. Humans, animals, and plants would be unable to adapt to the extreme conditions. Climate change. The massive release of greenhouse gases and volcanic ash would trigger abrupt and irreversible climate changes. Temperatures could swing wildly, causing widespread ecological collapse. Geological transformation. The Earth's surface would be unrecognizable. Continents might fracture into smaller pieces, forming new landmasses. Ocean basins could shift dramatically, altering the distribution of water across the planet. 5. Hypothetical scenarios that could cause a magnitude 15 event. While a natural magnitude 15 earthquake is impossible, hypothetical scenarios include massive asteroid impact. An asteroid the size of a small moon colliding with Earth could mimic such an event. Artificial energy release. If humans or an advanced alien civilization could harness and release an amount of energy equal to the Earth's binding energy, it might simulate a magnitude 15 earthquake. Cosmic events. Gravitational interactions with a rogue planet or a close encounter with a black hole could create stresses mimicking such forces. Finally, beyond comprehension. A magnitude 15 earthquake is not only beyond Earth's capabilities but also beyond the scope of human comprehension. Such an event would result in the complete destruction of our planet as we know it. While it remains a purely theoretical concept, it highlights the immense forces at work in the universe and serves as a reminder of the fragility of our planet. The most powerful earthquakes we've experienced, like the Chilean earthquake, 9.5 MW, or the Indian Ocean earthquake, 9.3 MW, have already shown us the destructive potential of our planet's natural processes. A magnitude 15 event, however, is an entirely different realm, belonging more to the realms of cosmic disasters than earthly phenomena.